Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to factory reset your Samsung mobile. Follow these easy steps to easily factory reset your Android phone or Samsung phone. First of all, go to your Android phone settings. And here, once you're in the settings page, scroll down and search for About Phone. Or you can use the search icon to find out about. So all you have to need, open About Phone settings, and here you will find your Samsung phone number, model number. Now in this page, scroll down, and at the bottom of this page you should see here reset. So all you have to need, just tap on reset, and now scroll down here, and at the bottom you will see here factory data reset. Just tap on that, and here we can see after factory resetting, all data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, all other user data. So here, scroll down, and now just tap on reset, and now you have to confirm your pattern or your phone pin log. Once you've successfully confirmed, your Android phone or your Samsung phone will be factory reset. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.